My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a SafeMoon coin. So what's the price of SafeMoon coin at this time, and what is the prices occurred in a SafeMoon coin in this time frame? And a lot of people message me that what is the next move occurs in XRP Ripple coin. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the next move coming and the future on the SafeMoon coin, friends. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now if we talk about the current price of the SafeMoon coin, so the current price is about 0.00005 USD dollar is the current price of the SafeMoon coin, friends. And if we talk about the currently change over in the SafeMoon coin, so the last 1 hour change is positive and last 1 day change is positive, friends. Only the last 1 week change as negative. That's mean that the previous last 1 day SafeMoon coin again start jumping, friends. Now if we talk about the market volume of the 24-hour volume, so absolutely very fastly move upward and grows upward the volume of the SafeMoon coin, friends. And that is the last 1 day price prediction chart of the last 1 day of the SafeMoon coin. As you can see here, only jumps occur in the SafeMoon coin is this time a highest jump occur, and they are fast down for a little time now. And now as I show you the last 1 hour change occur in the SafeMoon coin, again they start explosion, again they started jumping, friends. If we talk about the last 1 day price change in the SafeMoon coin, so the last 1 day price change is about positive 5.06% positive change occur in the SafeMoon coin and the last 1 day, friends. Now the highest price of the SafeMoon coin in the last 1 day is about 0.00005 USD dollar is the highest price, and same like that if we look the current price, so I think now they are also the 0.005 is the highest price. Now at this time frame, that is the current price and that is the highest price. Now the 10 are less than from this as the highest price, friends. Now friends, now let's try to detect the next move of the SafeMoon coin on the basis of technical analysis. So as you can see here, let's suppose that is a support level, as you can see here, let's suppose, and that is our resistance level, friends. So they continue as travel between these two lines. As you can take a jump, fast down, take a jump, and again fast down, friends. And now at this point, they change their rotation. So that's mean that the high jump occur in a SafeMoon coin, friends. So the future of SafeMoon coin are also bright, because as you know, a 1.5 million people buy SafeMoon coin only in 60 days. So that is clear for all of us that the SafeMoon coin goes to moon very soon, friends. So if you're a holder of SafeMoon coin, so please hold it with the last of this month, because the time of the SafeMoon are coming soon. Now the price of SafeMoon coin are very low, so please wait for it when they reach 1 USD dollar. So believe me, they make you millionaire at this time, friends, when they hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. So what's your opinion when when SafeMoon coin hit a 1 USD dollar? Please share your opinion about this in the comment box, and kindly stay connected with us. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.